I'm going to do some of Yolanda Adams, Open Up My Heart for y'all. All right. Alone in a room, it's just me and you. I'm so lost, and I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my life is so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Oh yes. My hopes and dreams are fading fast. I'm all burned out, and I don't think my strength is gonna last. So I'm crying out to you, 'cause I know that you're the only one who is able to pull me through. So I know I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world is so cloudy. Lord, guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Oh yes, yes I do. So show me how to do things your way. Don't let me make the same mistakes over and over again. Your will be done, and I'll be the one to make sure that it's carried out. And in me, I don't want any doubt. That's why I want to talk to you. Yes, I do. And ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems so cloudy. Lord, guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Oh yes, yes I do. Guide me until I'm sure I open up, Lord, I open up my heart to you, to you, to you. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. All right, y'all. That was that. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to end on a Christian note, like I said. I add my own little spin to it, as y'all can see, you know. But just let me know what y'all think. All right.